What's up? Hello everyone. Today is another day. Welcome to my channel. Today happens to be the first time of my channel. Can you subscribe to my channel? Good day, good night. Well, today is a road trip experience on my road. The first day of driving. So this is the first or self-driving. Though I have been driving, or someone has taught me how to drive, but today is me alone taking a ride. Yeah, me alone taking a ride. Me alone. Yeah, so I'm just going to 50 kilometers road to show my driving skills. Yeah. So first driving, or first time driving. All the time I drive it, the one that taught me how to drive. But today it's only me that is driving. Yes. Today only me that is driving. I'm just showing you my driving skills on 50 kilometers road. Yes, let's go. So let's see the road. You can see I'm going, because of my first time, I'm going 50 kilometers. 80 kilometers rather. I'm going to 80 kilometers. Yes. So let's go. As you can see, you have natural environment. How natural the environment is. Planting of trees, glass. Now the environment is so nice. Yes, this is a place to live, to breathe, to get fresh air here. There's no gas or carbon, so it's natural air. Natural air. Yes. Yes. Good. So for fresh air, I think sometimes you need to relocate. Leave your environment and go to I can see where you can get fresh, or you can go to a bush, or not say bush, like forest, to get fresh air, to fresh your body, to get to change the air. You breathe in oxygen, and breathe in carbon dioxide. When you breathe out carbon dioxide, breathe in oxygen. You breathe in carbon dioxide, breathe in oxygen. Yes, all these things are good for human health. Yes, so I recommend everyone to also, yeah. So this is a road first driving as I learn how to drive. Yes, you can see 80 kilometers that I'm going. 80 kilometers. Yes. 50 kilometers. I'm going, yes. So we have small towns, as people call it, villages. Small towns on the road. So there's small towns. You can find it on the road. Yeah. I'm trying my driving skills since I learned how to drive. Yeah. Since I learned how to drive, I'm trying my driving skills. Yeah. Yeah, this woman won't drop it. So I'm just want to pick them and see. What kind of thing? Jansu.
Andre.
Need to pick them. Pick them. Kinds of maybe. For 20. What do fufuso? Fufuso.
Tampona. Mosi, tampona na mama.
Mosi. You don't understand English too?
Mama, no, I'm gonna English nanda. Tampona.
No one understands English. Where you understand English?
Literally.
English.
Wow.
No. Fufuso. Where are you going?
Tomo.
Oh, close. Junction. Oh, that's where I'm going.
Yeah.
It's Fufuso.
Junction.
Fufuso. I just drop those I pick. They're coming to this town, so I just drop them. I'll just drop. So this is the town. This is the town. I just drop them. From here. Yeah. This is where this is the town I like the ladies. I'm going back. I like them. I wanted to buy medicine, but it's like the store or the drugstore. I'll get the medicine. They didn't open. But it wasn't open. And today is Salah Eid al-Fitr. It's Volg. Our brother Muslim brothers and sisters, their festive season. So get some of the everybody going to celebrate it. Let's add up all the. So I'm going back. Yeah, I'm going back. So this is a natural air. Right, everybody needs to stay. Rest. Yeah. First time in driving, trying self-driving after they taught me how to drive. First time in driving, self-driving.